Hello, my name is Hemant.
I'm Akshobhya.
And I'm Janardhana.
We are from Jim Saron Indian School, and we're going to share our experience of 10 days. Our experience was so wonderful. We had to install. We saw many different places in this T-Work Hub. This is my favorite space, the welding zone. We created so many unique stuffs here. I pass on to Akshobhya.
Yeah, so I want to talk about the staff. They were very fun to interact with. They taught us a lot of stuff, and we learned many things from them, like robotics, AI, and they made us a very fun environment to learn in, and made sure that we understood it, and they made it very fun, a wonderful experience.
So, my 10 days in T-Works were the most best times I've ever had on a school trip, in fact. The staff here was so welcoming, so interactful. All the workshops, they were fun, interactive, and we still learned everything, if not most of them. This was the best school trip I have ever been on, and I am so grateful to the T-Works crew.
We all loved our T-Works experience. Thank you.